provide a range of services for people who are experiencing mental ill health.
We've got some services around older people, so community navigators we've got in 2 parts of Edinburgh.
It's a LOOPS project, which stands for Local Opportunities for Older People. So we help people over the age of 65 to find out about groups, activities, but also practical services in their area.
We've also got our equal access service, and that works with men and women from ethnic communities.
We have counselling. We do specialist trauma counselling specifically for adult survivors of childhood abuse.
So that's a service that's face-to-face that happens in Edinburgh. We also do the Trauma Line Scotland, which is telephone counselling for clients all over Scotland, also who have suffered trauma as children.
We've got befriending services, which sometimes people imagine that's going out for a cup of tea with somebody or something like that, but it's not. It's about a very careful process, and we've got over 200 volunteers, and a lot of them are involved in our befriending service. Our volunteers are trained, we work to investing in volunteers' standards. Our volunteers are supervised, and they're very carefully matched with someone who has similar interests to them.
And it's helped getting someone who has maybe become isolated through experiencing mental ill health to reconnect with their community. So if it's doing something that they really love to do, like going to the cinema or just going out and about, you've got somebody who will be there with you to help support you in that journey, getting back out there and meeting new people. We also have support for people at risk of becoming homeless.
It supports anyone over 16 who's living in South or East Edinburgh who feels that they're struggling with life, they may have lost their confidence, or they're feeling very isolated. This could be for a number of reasons. It could be that they have a health condition that they're struggling to manage, they maybe feel disconnected from their community, or they've had a traumatic event that's happened in their life, which means that they're not living the life that they want to lead. So when we meet people, we sit down with them and we discuss with them what they would like to change in their life and try and figure out together how we can achieve that.
And in the city centre we provide a range of training courses which are interactive, fun, have a range of staff from different organisations on them. They can come from the theatres, from banks, from health and social care staff, GPs, school staff, and we provide a really good introduction to health and well-being, an understanding about what it is to work with mental health and what it is to work with mental illnesses, how to provide support for all people who are living with different circumstances and different stages in their journey of recovery and their well-being support that's needed.
Future Pathways exists to help people who've experienced abuse or neglect in care access integrated support and care. And so our aspiration is to help people get access to what they need quickly, and that they can have access to a greater range of services and resources. And so what's unique about Future Pathways is that it's an alliance of 4 organisations working together. And so Health and Mind is joined by additional partners being Penumbra, the Mental Health Foundation, and the Anchor Centre, which is a specialised trauma service run by NHS Greater Glasgow and Clyde for survivors.
The Orchard Centre has been up and running for over 20 years now. It's quite a popular sort of place to be because we offer lots of good activities. I'm involved in a project called the Round Project that offers people the chance to get out and about, outdoors, explore sort of woodland, nature. In a way, that's sort of part of the part of healing and sort of recovery. It's good to get people out and about and get in touch with nature as well. We found involved in the project for 5 years or so, lots of people have really benefited from being involved in the project and gone on to do other things and other volunteering as well.